All right, so here we have 120 people attended a basketball event. The total amount collected was $1,515. The prices of the tickets for 15 for adults, 12 for children, and 10 for seniors. There are 20 less senior tickets than adult tickets. Find the number of each type of ticket sold. All right. Well, we know that the X is going to be what we're going to say is for adults, Y is going to be the number of children, and Z is going to be the number of senior tickets. So our three equations are going to be, well, if we take X plus Y plus Z, that's going to be equal to the total tickets sold, which was 120. Now we can take the price for each ticket times each other, and that's going to be equal to 1515, which is what we have here. And our only other equation that we can have is there's 20 less senior tickets than adult tickets, so X minus Z is equal to 20. So that gives us our three equations. Okay. Now what do we have to do? Well, we have to go ahead and simplify. And so we're going to eliminate a variable. And so what they've suggested is they're going to go ahead and take the first equation times the negative 12, add it to the second equation because they're going to eliminate y's. So then we're going to get what? 3x minus 2z is equal to the 75. Now let's go ahead and take that with our third equation, which, oh, we have it up here, I guess. And so then we're going to take a minus 3 times this equation. So that's going to be minus 3x plus 3z equals to minus 60. Eliminate those, so z is equal to 15. So we've got our z equation. Now we know x minus z is that. So if we plug in 15 here, add that there, we get x is 35. And then if we go back into x plus y plus z is which one I would plug it into, then we would say, okay, well, we have those two. Now we solve for y. So y is equal to 70. And so therefore we have 35 adults, 70 children, and 15 seniors. And again, go back in always and check your solutions here to make sure they work. Well, if you add all those together, you get 120, and then it's best just, you can write it on your page 15 times the 35, 70 times the 12, and 15 times the 10. Add those all together to see if they equal the 15, and they do. And then if we take 35 and then minus 15, we do get 20. So it does check out in all three equations. All right, so let's stop with that. We'll come back for some more.